Elon Musk, a name that resonates with ambition, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of the seemingly impossible, is a name that's become synonymous with bold innovation. He's not just tinkering at the edges, he's fundamentally rethinking how things are done, and world-changing ideas. His visions aren't confined to boardrooms or academic papers, they're actively being built and deployed, impacting lives across the globe. He's not just an inventor sketching out ideas in a notebook. He's a visionary, a leader who inspires teams to push beyond conventional limits and redefine what's achievable, who turns science fiction into reality, transforming fantastical concepts from the realm of imagination into tangible working prototypes, reshaping entire industries. From automotive to aerospace, his influence is undeniable. When Musk speaks, the world pays attention, eager to hear his perspective on the future and the technologies that will shape it. Because his ventures have already transformed how we think about and interact with some of the most fundamental aspects of modern life. Cars, revolutionizing the electric vehicle market and challenging the dominance of traditional combustion engines. Space, making strides towards affordable space travel and ambitious plans for interplanetary colonization. And energy, pushing for sustainable solutions and a transition away from fossil fuels. Take SpaceX, a testament to his audacious goals and engineering prowess. Musk didn't just want to build rockets like any other aerospace company. He wanted to make space travel affordable, accessible, and ultimately commonplace, and pave the way for Mars colonization, a long-term vision that could redefine humanity's future. This ambition led to reusable rockets, a game-changing innovation that dramatically reduced the cost of launching payloads into orbit, and cheaper access to space, opening up new possibilities for scientific research, commercial ventures, and exploration. Starlink, a project aiming to provide global internet coverage. His satellite internet project is deploying a vast constellation of satellites in low Earth orbit. He is connecting remote corners of the globe, bringing high-speed internet access to underserved communities and bridging the digital divide. Then there's Tesla, a company that has revolutionized the automotive industry. Before Musk, electric cars were niche and uninspiring, often seen as slow, impractical, and lacking in style. He made them fast, stylish, and desirable, proving that electric vehicles could be both environmentally friendly and exhilarating to drive. Forcing the auto industry to accelerate its own electric revolution, as established manufacturers scramble to compete in the rapidly growing EV market. Every Musk announcement sparks global anticipation, generating buzz and excitement across the tech world and beyond, because he's known for challenging the status quo, questioning conventional wisdom, and pushing the boundaries of what's considered possible, and delivering on wild promises, often exceeding expectations and proving his doubters wrong. His latest unveiling, shrouded in secrecy and anticipation, a revolutionary new electric vehicle engine, promises to further disrupt the automotive landscape. Marks another leap forward, pushing the limits of electric vehicle performance and efficiency. The world is watching, captivated by his vision and the potential impact of his innovations, eager to see how this breakthrough, this new engine, will reshape the future of transportation, could once again change the way we live and move, impacting everything from urban planning to global energy consumption. Musk's relentless drive for innovation, fueled by a deep-seated belief in the power of technology to solve humanity's greatest challenges, keeps pushing the boundaries of what's possible, inspiring others to dream bigger and strive for ambitious goals. And with each new chapter, each new technological advancement, he brings the future a little closer to the present, transforming science fiction into reality before our very eyes. The automotive world held its breath in anticipation. On May 28, 2025, a date circled on calendars across the industry, Tesla unveiled the Helios Core, a project shrouded in secrecy and whispered about in tech circles for months. It wasn't just another incremental improvement. The Helios Core is a new electric motor that's more than just an upgrade. It represents a fundamental shift in how we approach electric propulsion. During the unveiling, Musk described it as a complete reimagining of EV motor technology, a clean slate design that challenges conventional wisdom. He went on, promising to redefine efficiency and performance, setting a new benchmark for what's possible in electric vehicle technology. Unlike current motors, which rely heavily on rare earth magnets, the sourcing of which raises environmental and ethical concerns, and face significant cooling challenges due to their inherent inefficiencies, the Helios core tackles these issues head-on, offering a sustainable and technologically advanced alternative. Its innovative design slashes the need for rare earth elements and copper, two materials that are both costly and environmentally problematic, and features advanced thermal regulation for sustained high performance, ensuring optimal operation even under the most demanding conditions. The result of all this innovation? A smaller, lighter, and more robust motor, a marvel of engineering that promises to revolutionize the EV landscape. It's a motor that's not just efficient, but also reliable and versatile, performing optimally across all conditions, from scorching deserts to freezing tundras. Musk claims the Helios core could boost vehicle range by up to 30% with the same battery, a significant leap forward in energy efficiency. This improvement could also allow for smaller, cheaper batteries without sacrificing range, making EVs more accessible to a wider range of consumers. Beyond performance, it also promises longer motor life and better reliability, reducing maintenance costs and increasing vehicle lifespan. Of course, the true test lies ahead. If these claims hold up in mass production and the motor proves to be as scalable and cost-effective as Tesla hopes, the Helios core isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a game-changer for electric vehicles, a potential catalyst for widespread adoption, and a significant step towards a sustainable future. This breakthrough could accelerate EV adoption worldwide, making electric vehicles a more compelling and practical choice for consumers everywhere. The Helios core sets a new standard, raising the bar for the entire industry and inspiring other manufacturers to push the boundaries of innovation. It redefines what's possible, showcasing what electric motors can achieve in terms of efficiency, performance, and sustainability. The industry may never be the same, forever changed by the dawn of the Helios core. To truly appreciate why the Helios core is such a game-changer, we need to understand its inner workings. It's not just about making things electric, it's about making them electric. So let's break down how it works step by step to reveal the ingenuity behind this technology. We'll explore the core principles that set it apart from conventional electric motors. Traditional EV motors rely on the fundamental principle of electromagnetism. They use electricity to generate magnetic fields, and these magnetic fields interact to spin a central rotor, which in turn provides the rotational force needed for moving the car forward. The Helios core takes a different approach. It refines this process with its dynamic field array, a key innovation, generating precise, rapidly shifting magnetic fields, but only in the exact locations and at the precise moments they are needed. This targeted approach is what unlocks its superior performance. Think of it as an orchestra conductor, leading a symphony of electromagnetic forces. Instead of brute force, it's about directing electrons with pinpoint accuracy to create perfectly timed and shaped magnetic pulses. This level of precision dramatically slashes wasted energy and reduces internal resistance within the motor itself, thereby boosting overall efficiency and maximizing the use of available power. Because less energy is wasted, less heat is produced as a byproduct. So the motor runs significantly cooler and is able to sustain peak performance for a longer duration without overheating. Furthermore, the innovative design also reduces the reliance on rare earth magnets, which are often associated with environmental concerns, making the Helios core a more sustainable and environmentally responsible choice for electric vehicle propulsion. Ultimately, more of the battery's precious energy is effectively converted into usable motion. It's like upgrading from a leaky watering can that spills half its water to a perfectly sealed one that delivers every drop where it's needed. The result, the culmination of all these improvements, is longer driving range on a single charge, quicker and more responsive acceleration, and a greater overall level of reliability in the vehicle's performance. The Helios core's elegant simplicity and innovative design has the potential to revolutionize the way electric cars perform and reshape the future of electric mobility. The Helios core could reshape how electric vehicles are built from the ground up. Its compact size and lighter weight let engineers rethink car layouts, potentially creating more spacious interiors or sleeker designs. With less dependence on scarce materials, supply chains become simpler and more sustainable. Musk might keep the technology exclusive to Tesla, or license it to other automakers. Either way, competitors will be forced to innovate. The motor's efficiency could ease pressure on battery makers, allowing them to focus on cost, longevity, and safety. Reduced demand for rare earth elements and copper could stabilize material costs and disrupt global supply chains. The Helios core makes the EV industry more resilient and economically sound. It's a catalyst for a smarter, more sustainable future in automotive manufacturing. For drivers, the Helios core means real-world benefits. Range anxiety could become a thing of the past. Imagine driving an extra 100 or 200 miles on a single charge. Longer trips and daily commutes get easier, with less need to plan charging stops. If the motor is cheaper to make, EV prices could drop, making them accessible to more people. This accelerates the shift away from gas cars, cleaning the air for everyone. The Helios core also promises a better driving experience, quicker acceleration, smoother power, and a quieter ride. Less heat and stress on components mean fewer repairs and lower ownership costs. Drivers get peace of mind knowing their car is built to last. The Helios core makes EVs more practical, affordable, and enjoyable. It's a win for consumers and the planet. The Helios core's impact goes far beyond passenger cars. Its efficiency and power make it ideal for trucks, buses, and delivery vans, helping clean up city air and cut emissions. The technology could inspire advances in everything from industrial machines to household appliances, even electric planes and ships. More efficient motors mean less electricity is needed, easing pressure on power grids and reducing indirect emissions. With less reliance on rare earth mining, the environmental footprint shrinks even further. The Helios core could also change how we build charging infrastructure, as longer ranges shift charging habits. It's a holistic leap towards sustainable transportation and smarter energy use. The ripple effects could transform industries and cities worldwide. The Helios core isn't just a new product, it's a statement about the future of mobility. It challenges what's possible in electric motor design, making EVs more practical and appealing for everyone. By solving key limitations, it brings Musk's vision of all-electric sustainable transportation closer to reality. The road to mass adoption won't be easy. Tesla must scale production and prove reliability, but the excitement is real. If the Helios core delivers, it could redefine how we move, work, and live. It's a glimpse of a future where technology solves our biggest challenges. With innovations like this, Musk keeps pushing us toward a cleaner, smarter world. The journey ahead is electric, and the Helios core is leading the charge.